Welcome student in fourth session from your textbook chapter number 1 matter in our surrounding. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the classification of matter in their three physical states are there solid, liquid and gas and we studied their properties also. So today we are going to take this point change of state of matter. State of matter means that you know very well that matter exists in three states solid, liquid and gas. So this can be changed, okay, and we can change the physical state of matter in two ways, by changing the temperature and by changing the pressure. So here it is defined as change of matter from one physical state to another physical state. So that is called the interconversion state of matter, and this can be done by changing the temperature and pressure. Clear? So look here first, solid state, okay, what is this? Solid state get converted, okay, into liquid state by increasing the temperature, means by heating, and here liquid state can be converted into gaseous state by heating, means by increasing the temperature. means आपने here जो upward arrow जो आपको दिख रहा है, जो upper side forward arrow indicating this, it means that we increasing the temperature, okay, means solid आपने जब इसको temperature दिया, it can convert it into liquid and we further increase the temperature and there is liquid state converted into gaseous state, and again we decrease the temperature. Now we are decreasing the temperature. So this gaseous state can be converted into liquid state by cooling. So this reverse arrow, okay, this indicating this gaseous converted into liquid, and again further we have to again decrease the temperature, okay, then this liquid state can be converted into solid state by cooling. Clear? So it will be more clear to understand the following. Effect of change of temperature means when we change the temperature, then what will be the effect, okay, on the matter. So before starting this, we first to know that degree Celsius, okay, these are unit of measuring temperature. So this degree Celsius is the common unit of measuring temperature, okay, that's why it is called degree Celsius. इसमें आप measure करते हैं common unit, and the SI unit of measuring temperature is Kelvin. K means Kelvin. Clear? Remember this. These are the unit to measuring the temperature. First, solid to liquid change. Solid to liquid change. Look at there above that statement, solid state get converted into liquid state. So the process in which a solid substance change into liquid means any solid substance we can take and we provide the heat, then it get converted into liquid form, okay, is called the melting. Means जैसे आपने solid substance को heat provide करी, then it start liquid state, और उसे क्या कहते हैं, in one word, melting and fusion. Just like example melting of ice. जैसे आप ice को बाहर निकालते हो फ्रीज से, then what happen, ice is melting, okay, and to form the water. So it means what, there is a here the heat needed to melt ice, okay, is being supplied by the surrounding air which is at a higher temperature than the ice. So that's why that ice get converted into water. So the temperature at which a solid substance melt and change into a liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point. So that point, मतलब जिस point पे substance solid substance start करता है melting, तो उस point को क्या कहते हैं, melting point of the substance. So here some melting points are there. Ice melts at 0 degree Celsius to form liquid, means water, okay, remember that ice melts at 0 degree Celsius to form liquid. So melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. These are the melting point according to this above statement, and melting point of wax is 63 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, मीन्स जो वैक्स रहती है वो स्टार्ट करती है मेल्टिंग एट द डिग्री सेल्सियस हाउ मच 63 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Next, melting point of iron is 1535 degrees Celsius. Look here. Okay, melting point of iron is 1535 degrees Celsius. And means why it is higher? Because these all are solid. And you know that in solid substance, there is a different arrangement of the particle. Somewhat hard and somewhat soft, but they are still solid. So here, higher the melting point of solid substance, greater will be the force of attraction between the particles. Remember that. Higher the melting point. अब इसमें से सबसे ज्यादा हायर किसका है? आयरन का. अगर melting point आयरन का ज्यादा है, it means that greater will be the force of attraction. Okay, क्योंकि उसका force of attraction ज्यादा है. So between its particle. So that's why, and why it is so? Iron very high melting point because it is very strong. Because it is very strong. Second, liquid to gas change. This is the second effect of change of temperature. So the process in which a liquid substance changes into a gas rapidly on heating is called boiling. Means simply we can tell that boiling. Okay, or vaporization. So when we boil the water, this is the example of that liquid change into gas. Have you seen that? Means जैसे आप घर में water को boil करते हो तो उसमें vapor coming out from that. So that is what here is changing that liquid into gas. Clear? So the temperature at which a liquid boils and changes rapidly into a gas at atmospheric pressure is called boiling point of the liquid. Because that process is called the boiling, and at which point, okay, that start the boiling, so that is called the boiling point of the liquid. So water is heated to a temperature of 100 degree Celsius. जैसे आपने इसके पहले देखा कि ice starts the melting at 0 degree Celsius. Same like that, water is heated to a temperature of 100 degree Celsius. Clear? So here some boiling points are there of different liquid. Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. It means that water is boiling to form steam. Steam means that gas. Okay. The heat required for the boiling of water is being supplied by a burner. So that point is called the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. And boiling point of alcohol is 78 degree Celsius. And boiling point of mercury is 357 degree Celsius. Okay. So here same like that in solid we seen that lot of differences between the different kind of solids melting point. So here is the different liquid have the different boiling point. Okay. Here higher the boiling point of liquid, greater will be the force of attraction between its particle. It means जिस भी liquid का boiling point higher होता है तो उसकी what is the reason behind that? In between there is a particle. Okay, उस liquid में particle जो भी है तो उन particle के बीच में force of attraction higher है. That's why that boiling point of that particular liquid is also higher. Same like that melting point. आपने देखा था ice, wax और iron. इन तीनों ये तीनों ही solid थे, but उसमें iron का जो था वो hardest है as compared to wax and ice. So that's why melting point of iron is higher. So same like here, boiling point of mercury, this is the symbol of that mercury Hg, is very high. Means boiling point of mercury is very high. That is 357 degrees Celsius because force of attraction of mercury is very strong. It means that particle of that mercury, that force of attraction is very strong. So boiling point of mercury is higher. Clear? So now I think you know very well why melting and boiling point is higher of that particular substance and what is the reason behind. Now next, gas to liquid chain. Next one is what? Gas to liquid chain. So the process of changing a gas to a liquid by cooling is called condensation. So that process is called condensation. It is the reverse of that same boiling. आपने देखा था that boiling में liquid change into gas. Liquid change into gas. So it means that here is the reverse direction, that gas change into liquid by cooling. Okay, is called the condensation and it is the reverse of that boiling process. So look at the picture. This experimental setup shows the process of condensation. Okay, when we hold a frying pan containing some ice, means आपने एक पैन लिया है और उसके ऊपर आइस रखी हुई है. Okay, so in that just above the spout of a kettle of boiling water, मीन जो चाय की केटली रहती है उसमें आपने क्या डाला हुआ है? वाटर डाला हुआ है. ओके, और उसको आप बर्नर के ऊपर रखा हुआ है तो दैट ऑटोमेटिकली दैट वाटर गेट हीटेड and get converted into vapor form. Okay, and that vapor is coming out from that. So then the hot steam coming out of that spout comes in contact with the ice cold bottom of the frying pan. मतलब आपने जो frying pan है उसके अंदर तो आपने बर्फ डाला, पर जो उसका लोअर पोर्शन है डाउन साइड वो कैसा हो गया? कोल्ड हो गया, ठंडा हो गया. तो जैसे ही वो हॉट वेपर उससे कांटेक्ट में आती है, देन कन्वर्टेड into water droplet. Okay, that contact with the ice cold bottom of frying pan, okay, and get cooled and condensed to from drops of liquid water one by one. Look at that picture. Okay, clear this one? So this process is called the condensation.